Good morning. Good morning. You need to be carried to your spot, Tux. Hi, bud. Hi, good morning. Yeah, I'll do a careful lift. Let you get situated. Hi. Good morning, Morris. Good morning. Hi, Mr. Statue. There you go. If you want something else to eat, there you go. So after Dawn, moved stuff out of the way and then put stuff back this side of the coleus, I don't know how it was before, but it was a little sparse. So I broke off a few pieces from underneath, stuck it in the dirt here and here. They're taken off. They're going to root. They're going to start growing. I just love how easy it is to start the coleus. Remember, there's a piece that I came out in the morning and it was damaged, and I stuck it in one of the pots over here. Well, that's the stuck in piece. It just took off. Now that we're sort of starting to move into the end of summer, I won't hesitate to say start of fall, but starting to see more spiders. I don't know if that's showing up or not, but we got a lot of the garden spiders in the yard. Totally harmless, good spiders. We see occasional black widows here. It's really not a problem. Black widows don't have very nice webs. So if you see a pretty web, it's not a black widow. Pretty as in unique, ornate, geometric shape. So I'm walking down to the other side of the bridge to water this one thing that I think should be watered. Yeah, when we watched it on the big screen yesterday, I could tell that you guys couldn't really see the pole or whatever going on. But here's that piece from the side that I asked Dawn to curve up and save for me. And it's looking good. I've got the big watering can in the other hand, so I can't reach out and touch stuff right now. I'm going to add a little water to this. When I mowed yesterday, I accidentally bumped more out of it than I meant to. I moved it to mow around it so it would look good. And, not the snazziest watering fountain ever, but okay. Here you can see the canna lily still looking good. A red spike sticking up there. Like I said, the hummer's been really active. Last few days I can see him out the bathroom window or off the front porch. Dawn came and stood up this yellow flower yesterday. It was all leaning over top of everything over here, and oh, he handled it for me. Well, hello, Marty. We'll leave you have some privacy there, bud. The irises I planted look good. The hydrangea here and across the way, both looking good. That ought to be really pretty when they take off. But here's where the deer were. Ate some of my flowers. We still have a lot of water in the bottom of the creek. We have frogs again. Having frogs is good. They provide lots of food for other critters. You can also see that the canna lily and the rose we planted are blooming over there. But straight out here, this is where I wanted to put water. This dirt and this bed, it dries out pretty quick. You can see where I came with the mower yesterday and got this strip here. It's a constant struggle between stuff coming down off the trees and the fact that mostly what's growing up there is stilt grass. And here's the rhododendron and the Chinese fringe tree. The blood-good Japanese maple over here in the corner. I was noticing that this has a lot of new growth since we put it in the ground. I'm not worried these need water yet. Keep an eye on it. Look at that nice. See, that's the thing about Japanese maples is high stripe. You startled me a little bit, but that thing come flying up behind me. All the different colors, the old growth, the middle of the road new growth, and the absolute new growth. That's one thing to love about Japanese maples. Hi, stripe. Hi. Hi, bud. And then the ginkgo's looking fine. Get the camera aligned. My eyes are more blurry, pretty blurry this morning. I'm having a little trouble seeing, so therefore I'm having a little trouble seeing if the camera's all zoned. I do have my glasses on, but they're for reading and not super helpful out here. Now you can see the rose and the canna lily. I need some help from Dawn. Oh my God, that's Marty. He went 15 feet up that tree. Holy moly. Who would have thought, Marty? I need a little help from Don with weeding on the bank. When he has his boots on and he's dressed for yard work, he'll sometimes get in there and pull some things. Yeah, you guys want to drink everywhere except for where Mom means for you to drink. But that's okay. That water's clean enough. Hi. Hi. Good boy. Good boy. Still haven't seen other kitties up on the front porch. That respect was well enforced, that they leave this spot alone, I guess. Hear all the insects? There's equipment noise off in the distance, spoiling it to some extent, but... Good morning, pretty girl. Hi. Hi. Here's your new bowl. Get rid of the old bowl. Hi. Good morning. So I printed this skull. It's bracelet, or it could just be a dangle that hangs someplace. It's printed in color changing film based on temperature. So the bottom part of the plate was probably still a little warm. I'm touching this one's nose.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be color changing in the heat, so I guess we'll see how it does. Right now it looks like just an interesting mix of orange and yellow, but again, the part that was against the warmer plate is orange, and the top part that cooled down more is yellow, so
way cool.
We'll see. I was expecting, though, if I held my thumb over top of it, I should be pretty warm, that it would change right away, and it's not, so we'll see. Well, I haven't mowed everything, but they did this section here near the trash can. We got a lot of Canadian geese out on the ball field this morning, and it's not too bad out here, but the sun is pretty hot today. So hopefully next year we'll get more flower coverage and in the center. I know what happened. It rained, or they sprinkled it too much and it washed the seeds to the side. Well, they did mow over here at the basketball court. I just shaking my head this morning because, you know, I mow grass for a living, not. But it's a lot of work to get that stuff unloaded off the truck and then only do part of the job at that location and have to come back again and unload a second time. Oh, you guys hold down the fort for me, okay? Okay, Marty? Yep. Stripey? I heard Tux somewhere a second ago. Tuxie, where are you? Tux, where are you? Tuxie? Behind me? He's in the bushes somewhere. Alright. Well, you don't have to stand up and come out. Mama's headed out. I definitely heard Tux and he's in the bushes. Oh, I can enjoy the air conditioning on the way to Guardian Angel. No lack of sunshine today. Michelle will be here in a few minutes. She's on her way. We need to remember the thing Connor left in my car. It's back in my car. They've got a Nautilus machine today. They've got 80 on it. Air hockey for 15. I used to have one of those at the old house. And a snow shovel that no one will need again this year. Hey girlfriend, I bought some stuff at the electronics, so we're just putting it in the car. Yep, and then she comes over with this bag. It's got all kind of Halloween stuff on it, and I see.
Yeah, I found these at TJ Maxx. So.
Oh wow.
And then
There's a Wally Hot Wheels.
I never seen one, so I was like, okay. And then here's your free stuff.
Okay, Michelle ordered the brown Harry Potter hat with the sound on it, and she got me the free space gift with purchase. So yay! Yay. And lift it up a little higher.
Okay.
She's got this very cute new Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle pocketbook, and I won't make you do it again. She already demoed it in the store once, but yeah, the headlights light up.
Wheels turn.
We saw her walking across the parking lot, me and Lori, and we thought it was the mystery machine, Scooby-Doo, but it's turtles. All right, let's go shopping. We got good things to look at, but the day we're gonna come in the next 4 to 6 weeks, and there'll be Halloween stuff. We're ready to start. We're ready for fall, so we're ready for fall things. Oh, it's a little miniature Stripe. It's so cute, but his ear's been glued back on, and you know, I've got the Lego tuxedo and the real tuxedo, so I probably should leave that tuxedo. Are you gonna get boxes? Are they good? Are they a good deal?
I think so. Well, these are 4.
Okay, yeah. Well, sounds about right. I think I'm gonna get one of these photo boxes. I put my Hot Wheels collection in the, the ones I keep in the packs. I keep them in the photo boxes. It works well sideways. They were new, still in the shrink wrap and acid free, and they had 2 on them. I bought the 3 of them. Sunflowers and the map one. So make a memory, smile for no reason, create joy, pay it forward, dance without music, wax poetic, laugh until you cry, and win with grace. At least that's what I can see of it. That looks pretty cool. Did you know that back in the day when I was a Reggie Jackson Yankees fan, I collected baseball cards? That's Dodgers. Okay. It's not real Lego base plates, and it's not even either, but I get the idea for a messaging board or something where you glue the base plates onto a frame and hang it on the wall, and then you can, decorate it with the holidays or something. It's not a bad idea. There's another tuxedo, and I think somebody got rid of their whole cat collection. Hopefully they didn't get rid of their cat, though. It's not a recliner, and it didn't sit super great, but for our room with the wall color we've got, I kind of like this fabric. I'm always looking.
Yep. I'm too tired.
Yeah, that's me. I've got all of the appropriate wrapping stuff, and then I wimp out, but I like this for $1. It's Hallmark paper and everything. Michelle, look what we found. I haven't seen that particular one before. They look great. They do. They look... Yeah, in a different lifetime, in a different house. This is very cute, and we would have to take it home. It's just super cute. It's Johnny's size and looks unworn, and that's going home too. That chair is amazing for
Vanity?
Yeah, vanity kind of a situation. I like it. Michelle, I'd cross oceans for you.
Aw, I love you too.
It's a wrap on another great shopping day. Yeah. We liked what we got. We didn't overdo. So they had this bonsai juniper. It's living, it's alive in the pot and everything. So yeah, I had to bring that home.
Cute.
The structural part of the first floor is done. I am still working on the grandfather clocks on the inside, but I built these 2, and I'm really happy with how they turned out. And then I had these Disney ones. Is that from Beauty and the Beast? Maybe. That I stuck in here. And I'm going to do, I don't know, at least 2 more, and then maybe possibly hang something here or put a flat piece over this. I haven't decided yet. And I got to find some people for inside. I'll probably put some flowers on these leaves. I'm actually thinking now that the backside has turned out so good that I should just tile this up like it's at the street and put some bushes and flowers. And if I get tired of looking at one side of the building, I can put up the other side of the building. I have to look at what the second floor looks like, because the first floor looks really ornate and decorated and great. It's a little after 7 though, and I'm tired and I'm definitely stopping now. Really good text coming from Johnny today and a few pictures. His roommate moved in today, and Johnny said that his roommate's mom is a lot like me. So he was feeling really good about how it was going. He was able to help them with the luggage cart we left for his robotics stuff to move the refrigerator box into the dorm. This student bought their own refrigerator versus renting one. And yeah, it sounds like it was a good day for Johnny. So, of course, that's really good to hear.
Come on.